If you are bitten by a zombie, can you amputate the limb to avoid turning? This is a question asked on my most recent video going over zombies, and it's worth looking into. The answer is yes, if you're fast enough. If we assume that the zombie infection spreads from saliva into the bloodstream, we have to act extremely fast, as it takes less than a minute for a blood cell to complete a full circuit of the body. The second something enters the bloodstream, it is instantly carried away by the flowing current. This is one of the reasons why the idea of sucking venom out of a snake bite, well, sucks, no matter what Oregon Trail may have led you to believe. Numerous studies show its ineffectiveness, at best being able to reduce the venom load by just 2%. But instead of trying helplessly to remove it from the place it entered, our goal will be to make sure it never reaches the rest of the body. The best scenario would be you being bitten at the bottom of your leg, as it is the longest limb and the returning blood flow is significantly slower than the rest of the body, given its distance from the heart. Coincidentally, this is exactly what happened to Herschel in The Walking Dead. At rest, the average blood flow in the veins of the calf is about 15 centimeters per second. To avoid the infection from spreading, you would have to amputate an additional 15 centimeters of leg each second. In just over 5.5 seconds, the infection would reach the main body, making it too late. However, since Herschel was fighting for his life and his heart was pumping faster than normal, we can estimate that the infected blood would pump about 3 times faster. This would mean that the amputation would need to happen within 2 seconds of the bite, while the zombie's teeth were still embedded in his flesh. Although Rick acts quickly, he only manages to amputate half of Herschel's leg about a minute and a half later. At that point, the only thing worth cutting off would have been Herschel's head.